we eat? Let's see what you got here for you, this scrumptious. What? I'm sorry, Hogan. Maybe I'll just give you a piece of cheese. Hey, what's this? Victoria, if Hogan's out of food, give him... Okay, is it just me or does that say give him cat food? Mom, she told me to do it, so I guess I should do it. Hogan, I don't want to ruin your personality, but you have to eat food. Cat food. What? Yeah, you heard me. Let's feed you cat food. Tony, please help me. I can't believe you're doing this. You know, if you eat too much of this stuff, Hogan, you're going to turn into a cat. Traitor.